Okay, example number 6 tayo. Madali lang to. Identify the similar 5C, 5C, negative 7, and 7. Then, pagsamahin yung mga similar, no? So, magta-transpose tayo ulit. So, 5C, this one is similar with this. You transpose this to the other side. Lipat mo. What will happen to the sign? Again, it will be, the sign will change. From positive, it will become, from negative, it will become positive. Ito naman, lilipat mo naman dito sa kabila para makasama niya yung positive 7. Diba? 7, retain yung 7. Diba kaya yan? No? 7. Yung negative 7, lilipat mo sa kabila. Negative, lipat sa kabila. What will happen to the sign? The sign will change to positive. Okay? Ito, 5C plus 5C. Oh, very simple. D10C. Diba? 7 plus 7, 14. Oh. To get the C, divide both by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. What will remain here is Z. Okay? Anong common dito? These are both divisible by 2, di ba? 14 and 10. So, 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. So, anong value ng Z natin in this example? 7/5. Okay? Yes na, 7/5. Yan.